How to change your currency pair on MetaTrader 4? Are you guys facing issues to change currency pair on MetaTrader 4 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see the option for Cortex. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple currencies over here. Choose it according to your preference. For example, if you want to change the currency pair to Euro JPY, then tap on it. Now click on chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change currency pair on MetaTrader 4 app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.